food-grade silicone gasket is fitted inside the lid of the Misgaran pressure cooker to ensure a secure, airtight seal during operation. To ensure safe and efficient operation, it's important to take proper care of the gasket. Before each use, check the gasket to make sure it's clean, undamaged, and properly seated in its groove. It should lie flat and even against the lid, not twisted or out of place. Cleaning the gasket. Gently remove it from the lid using a soft, non-sharp tool, like a plastic pick or blunt needle. Rinse it with cold water. After rinsing, hang the gasket to air dry completely before putting it back in place. Important reminders. Never use the pressure cooker without the gasket. With proper care, your food-grade silicone gasket can last for many uses.